Okay, in this video tutorial, I will show you how to subnet IP version 6. Okay, let's take an example here. We have let's say that the ISP provider give you IP version 6 2000 colon ACAD colon 1234 colon 6600 colon slash 56. That means this is in the 56 network. How do we find out about this? Okay, let's take a look at this. The first 3 octet is given by ISP provider. Okay, this is 48 bits. Each of these octet represent 16 bits. So you have 3 octets, 16 bit, 16 bit, and 16 bit. So when you add all of the numbers is equal to 48 bits. And the last 4 octet, which is 6600, this is gonna be your subnet. You plus additional 6 bit. How do I know 6 bit? This one okay, this 6600, this is 8 bits. Okay, it's not 6 bit, it's 8 bits. Because the other last 2 hexadecimal is 8. So 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. So since the subnet is 66, this is gonna be 8 bits. 8 plus 48 is equal to 56 bit. That's why this is under network of 56 subnetting. Alright. How do we convert this hexadecimal 6600 into a binary number? If you see my formula here, this is called the hexadecimal formula. 0110 is represented by this 1 1. So it's gonna be 0110 because 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So now you have 0110 and 0110. Notice that this is gonna be a hexadecimal of 66. All right, now we have the last 2 hexadecimal, which is another 8 bits that we can create a subnet. So how many subnet we can have on this? Notice that in this scenario we have how many? 8 bits, right? So to the power of 8 you can have up to 256 subnets available. Okay, how do we know that? As you can see here, you have 4 and 4, so it's equal to 8. So this is 8 bits that we can use for subnetting. So 2 to the power of 8 equal to 256 subnets. Alright, so how do we find out the first subnet? Since we have the first 2 is 66 in hexadecimal, so we can use the last 2 here. We need to convert the last 2 hexadecimal into a binary number. So you can have 0000 00000. This is equal to 6600/64. This is the first subnet. The second subnet, you can have 0001 is equal to 6601/64. This is the second subnet. Then we can have 0010. This is equal to 6602. Notice that to the power of, this is the formula for that. So 0010 is equal to here, right? So this equal to 6602/64. Then the next subnet is going to be 0011, which is what? Here 1 and this is 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So the hexadecimal is 6603/64 subnet. Okay. The next thing that we're gonna do is let's find out the last 2 subnet. The last 2 subnet is 1111 which is equal to 66FE/64. How do we find out that? Notice that this 1110 is equal to 111, so is equal to 15, right? So 15 is an F in hexadecimal, and 0 is 15. 1110 is equal to this 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. That is an F. Okay, when we use all the bits, is equal to 16. So 16 is 66FF, right? Here 15 is equal to an F, which is hexadecimal, and 1110, which is 8 plus 2 plus 4 is 14, so 14 is E, so this is 66FE/64. So this is how the IP version 6 subnetting work. So you need to look at the subnet in binary in order to do subnetting in IP version 6, and walk all the way from the right to the left, right? Since you have 2 hexadecimal left, you need to start from here, right? 0001, and then all the way to here. Okay, so if you do all the subnetting from 1, 2, 3 and up to the last 2 subnet, you will have 256 subnet available. Okay, then you can put your host in the last 64. We hope that this video is informative. Thank you.